Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a wooden grid, easy method. Start by measuring and cutting all pieces to consistent lengths so the grid aligns perfectly. Lay out frame pieces and inner slats on a flat surface to check spacing before assembly. Use glue and clamps for initial holds, then reinforce with 1-inch screws at intersections. Sand joints smooth and apply your chosen finish for protection and visual appeal. In this video, I will show how to make a wooden grid, easy method. Begin by marking and cutting slats with a stop block to maintain identical lengths for all repeating pieces. Arrange the frame and slats on a flat board and use a square to confirm right angles and consistent gaps. Label pieces lightly to avoid mix-ups. Dry fitting lets you spot and correct errors before glue or fasteners permanently set the grid. In this video, I will show how to make a wooden grid, easy method. Glue joints first, then clamp the frame and slats to maintain perfect alignment while the adhesive cures. After the glue sets, add 1-inch screws in inconspicuous spots to strengthen the structure without splitting the wood. Fill any tiny gaps with wood filler, sand smooth, and apply 2 thin coats of finish for a durable, attractive result that highlights the wood grain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.